welcome back to my channel. So I am going to remove all my makeup, and also I am going to show you what product I am using and what are the benefits of using them and how to use them. So if you want to know about that product, please continue watching. So let's do get unready with me.
Audio Jungle.
First of all, I'm just going to tie my hair back so that it doesn't bother me. Yeah. So I'm just going to remove my earrings. So first I'm going to remove my lashes, and then after I'm going to remove my makeup. So the first product that I am going to use to remove my makeup is this from L'Oreal, and it is their gentle lip and eye makeup remover. It is also for waterproof makeup, and this is for really sensitive eyes and lips. It doesn't give any kind of burning sensation to my eyes because I have pretty sensitive eyes, so I can say that it is specifically for eyes and lips. I do not use for my face makeup, although it can work for your face makeup, but I don't. So let's remove the eye makeup and lip makeup. You're gonna have to shake it first because it contains oil and water, so you have to mix the oil and water first, and then use a cotton pad like this and take it on it like this. Take a generous amount if you have a lot of makeup like me, like mascara and liner, kajal and everything. So what you want to do is you want to put it on your eyes, keep it for 5 to 10 seconds so the makeup gets emulsify and gets removed easily. So after that you just have to rub it like this and just easily swoop it. See, all the makeup is in here. As you can see that everything is in here. Now you have to do the same procedure on the other eye. I know I might look like a ghost, but that's me. See, it instantly removes your makeup and it doesn't give any kind of sensation to my eyes. I am not feeling any burning sensation whatsoever. Now the cotton pad is almost used. I'm just going to take another, and I'm going to use it for my lips and residue of eye makeup. And then I'm going to use it on under my eyes to remove the residue of eyeshadow. And you can see that I'm not being at all careful with this product because it is really for sensitive eyes and it is really great for my eyes. So I don't have to worry about burning or anything. So I'm just removing the under eye makeup. So now I have removed my eye makeup and my lip makeup, so let's get into the face makeup removing. Now for removing the face makeup, I use this Herb Day cleansing cream from the Face Shop. It contains green tea, so which is good for your skin, and it has some kind of micro beans in it, like very micro granules, which may be scrubbing your skin but really mildly, so you don't get any kind of harsh product on your face. Take it on my hand, something like this, and then I like to rub and just apply on my face wherever I applied makeup, and then just rub it. I'm just mildly rubbing it on my face, and I'm not giving any kind of pressure on my skin. It is not needed for removing your makeup. I'm not scrubbing my skin. I'm just going to remove my makeup. And make sure you get every area of your skin. so that there is no makeup residue on your skin, which is really not good for your skin. You have to remove any kind of makeup. People always say that makeup can irritate your skin, makeup harms your skin. It is actually not removing your makeup properly that is what harms your skin. Makeup removing is really important, otherwise it will harm your skin. So if people are telling you that makeup is harming your skin, no baby girl, if you are not removing your makeup properly, then it will harm your skin. So just remove your makeup really well, and after rubbing it for a while, and then you have to wash your face with a face wash. If you have acne prone skin, go for anti-acne face wash, your regular face wash, whatever you use, but you have to wash your face with a face wash for double cleansing, which is really good for your makeup cleansing process. So I'll be right back washing my face, and then we'll get into my skincare. So be right back. So I'm back after washing my face.
I love the clean face wash thingy.
So this is how I look without makeup. So let's get into my skincare. Now for my skincare, I use, after cleansing the makeup, I use moisturizer and eye cream and a lip balm. That's the only things I use after removing my makeup or in the morning after shower. So let's get to that product. So the first product that I use as moisturizer and as my sunscreen is this Photo Stable sunscreen. Now I am a person who goes to a dermat, so this is a dermat prescribed product. You can use any sunscreen that is preferable and that suits your skin. So you can use any moisturizer or sunscreen, but I use this because it is suggested by my dermatologist. So what I do is I take a pea size product of this and then apply it on my skin. So let's do that. Kind of this much. I use this much product and then I apply it on my face like this. I like to apply product in a dotted method because I feel like that gives me an idea that how much product I am going to need. So I just dot it on my face like this. And never forget your neck, you guys. It is equally important as your face skin. So always apply any product which you are going to apply on your face on your neck. And let the product get absorbed in your skin, and always massage upwards. You don't want to massage downwards, otherwise it will make your skin shaggy and it will look like a wrinkly and droopy skin, right? So you don't want to do that. So always apply a product and then massage it upwards. No matter what product you are applying, just massage it upwards. Yes, and then you want to do it on neck. I'm looking like a greased turkey, but I love this feeling a lot. So this is the moisturizer thing. Now let's go to the eye cream. Now you have seen me using this eye cream. This is from Honest Choice. I love the instant effects of this product and always try to use it more and more. So this is from Honest Choice Natural Multi-Effect Under Eye Gel. If you haven't seen my review on it, you can. I'll link it somewhere here, so don't forget to check it out. So I'm just going to take it on my third finger this much and rub it in between my two fingers and just applying it like this. It instantly gives you cooling and refreshing, calming effect, and I love that effect. So I'm just massaging. And the last and my most favorite product is my lip balm. I cannot live without my lip balm. So this is the lip balm. This is from Vaseline and it smells really good and it is really moisturizing. So I'm using it. This is the finished result of my Get Unready With Me. I hope you guys like it and I hope you guys find this product helpful. So if you do, please subscribe to my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. This means absolute world to me. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.